my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We all indulge ourselves during the holidays, especially when it comes to sweets. It can be chocolate bark, saffron buns, brownies, chocolate rum snowballs, and etc. Here's another one that is always a crowd pleaser, and it's my Nutella Fudge. To me, this is the elevated version of my mom's recipe. These are one of my favorite Christmas treats that I can't resist making year after year. So let's get cooking. First, we'll go ahead and lightly grease an 8 by 8 inch square pan with cooking spray and then line it with parchment paper. I showed you how to do it, but if you forgot or missed the video, here's the link showing on the top right corner of your screen. Alright, so let's move on to the stove. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk, some Nutella, oh yeah, followed by semi-sweet chocolate chips and a couple pinches of ground sea salt. We'll stir constantly until all the ingredients are blended and the chocolate chips are melted. You can do that in the microwave, but I prefer on the stove as I have more control with the heat. Eventually, the mixture will get pretty thick and sticky, so to thin it up a little, we'll add some heavy cream. We'll start with 1 tablespoon and add more as we need it, right? Now, this is not an exact science. We're just adding enough to be able to stir the mixture. Keep in mind that the consistency still has to be somewhat thick. Otherwise, if it's too thin, it won't solidify. See, after 3 tablespoons, I'm almost there. Half and half is not as thick as heavy cream, so if using it, 3 might be plenty. Although there are still little chunks of chocolate in the mixture, we'll now add some pure vanilla extract. That's what I said. Don't add too much heavy cream. Just enough to be able to stir so the chocolate chips can eventually melt. This is my 4th tablespoon. And of course, if we add more, we'll keep stirring until the chocolate is all melted. After not feeling our arm anymore, we've finally achieved a nice consistency. Look at how beautiful and shiny the color is. Yum! Now, the next ingredient is optional, but if you have kids at home, mine is over 60, we'll add gradually some finely chopped walnuts, although hazelnuts is another great option. It gives a nice texture to the fudge. We'll give a quick stir and remove from the heat. Without waiting, we'll rapidly pour our mixture into our prepared baking pan. As it cools off, it will start to harden, so do this fast. Using an angle spatula, we'll spread it out and also level it out evenly. We'll let it cool a little before transferring to the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or until it sets, before cutting into small squares. And my friends, this is our Nutella Fudge. This super easy recipe is perfect as a last-minute treat. With gorgeous layers of flavor, these little guys won't last long. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!